how to warm the compressor oil. This is the machine's compressor. Its oil should be very well warmed before you start the machine. The compressor oil temperature should be warmed up to 40 degrees Celsius before you start the machine. Every time you start the machine, you can put your hand here and touch the button to confirm the oil is really well warmed. We need to reconfirm that by touching the button to feel the warmness of the compressor oil. And this is the video to show how to do it. You connect the machine with your power supply. You switch it on. Pushing it up. And you can see the PLC lights are on. Here you can see this device has two lights. This means the fixed order is correct, okay? And when you see the PLC lights are on, the compressor's oil heater start working automatically, and you should keep the machine like this for 20 hours or even longer time in the winter. And because the oil heater will spend takes more than 20 hours for warming the oil. This is the fixed order sensor. If there is only one light on here in this device, you need to exchange the order of any two cables. You can put this one here and then put this one here, okay? Or you can exchange the order of these two and put this one here and put this one here, okay? You need to exchange the order of any two cables until these devices two lights are on together, okay? This is to indicate the fixed order is correct.